Ditch that cough, then grab some ginger and let's get started. Ginger isn't just for spicing up your meals, it's a natural cough buster. Slice up some fresh ginger nice and thin. Now chew on one slice for about 5 minutes. The spicy zing, that's gingerol, working its magic to soothe your throat and clear out mucus. Feeling fancy? Brew a ginger tea by steeping slices in hot water for 10 minutes. Add a dash of honey for extra throat relief. It's tasty and effective. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties not only ease your cough but boost your immunity too. So next time a cough creeps in, ditch the meds and slice up some ginger instead. Your throat will thank you. Stay healthy, stay happy with ginger.